Yes, 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 my people. All about love, magic, your reality. Microphone check 1, 2. Eeby, eeby. This will be the realest video, the most intense video of syncretism and magic. And many of you won't get it. It's okay. And I don't care about views. I'm famous with the stars. Do you understand me? I know where I'm going when I die. Where do you die, Anna? Which is the moon. Review, JHE and Pythagoras numerology above. The 1 is a J or an S, right? The 5 is an E, and the 8 is an H for she, or JHE. And below, in Chaldean Middle Eastern numerology, the 1 is a J or a Y, right? Slip it down, J. And the HE is a 5-5. Be clear here. Now, I work at a place called New Pioneer Co-op, okay? New Pioneer, right? Boom. And look up in the link. You see ESHELL right there. She-L. That is my last name, Russell, and JHE and Pythagoras, in which, of course, also, it's a little bit blurry. Hold on. There it is. Boom, right there. Beautiful. Okay. ELL appeared a few days ago on a license plate. And there's my face. Okay? Magic. Get your name decoded by me for only a $50 donation. Why is it important to you and me? Well, first of all, yeah, take your time, Jay. My birth name, JHE, appeared last year in my own YouTube link, right? With EVZ, Venus, an anagram. And I'm a Taurus ruled by her. And, of course, the name is what? JHE Russ ELL. So someone wants me to speak and it's not a human. Gosh darn it, a lot of omens today at my job. Take your time, Jay. Woo! Yes, that's the M or the apron of Freemasonry. Hi, people. Watch this. Okay, so today I saw 3 7s, right? Pardon me. 3 7s and a license plate in front of my co-op store. And these numbers. 1735, the change that I received working with the customer. Now focus. Those are the prime numbers of JHE and Chaldean and Pythagoras in one. Are you kidding me? Slow down, Jay. The prime numbers of 155 are 531, and the prime numbers of 185 are 5, 3, and a 7. Now, more omens. It's going to be some time here. I got to load a lot of links here. It's going to take some time. That's okay. I'm not in a rush. Okay? Now, let's see here what this says. Okay. Also, recently, diversity. Okay, meat, 158. Don't eat animals. 158 is JHE and Pythagoras. That was 2 days ago. Okay? Now, look up above here in the link. You see 313 and 185, that's 531 and 185 above, right? It's a bit blurry, hold on. Let's see if we can focus a little more there. There it is. And in the streets of Iowa, 185, my birth name of Pythagoras appears in the street. Are you kidding me? People, it's forever. Wow. Double down, Jay. Yes, take your time. The M apron for Freemasonry there. Okay. This one's pretty darn cool. Because, notice that was today. Look at the number 185 right there, I say. Above, in the link. Come back now. Pardon me. Right, you see it there. Very carefully. And you see JXH. And you see the numbers 155 today. Now, let's go back, I say. Because in Chaldean, the X and the HE are interchangeable. Woo! And the JXE is JHE. Wow. Now, boom. Boom. Bing, bing, bing. Get your name decoded by me. Slow it down, Jay. Taking my time for this one. Oh, yeah, this is going to be epic. This is going to be a really huge build. All right. Now, also, today, a customer came in my store with the shirt 14. 185 is 14. Hi, I was born May 14. And again, a car, pardon me, a car with 185 on it appeared. That is JHE in Pythagoras. Okay. Supreme JHE Omen appeared a few weeks ago. JHE appeared in front of my store, a co-op. Remember? Wow, my birth name. Notice the numbers 531 and 537 above in that link right there. See it carefully. And in wine at my job, people, 15.3%. What are the odds? It's called call and response. Now, that's Venus. 155 is 11 for 2. Would be who? Your bicep and your arm, right there in the tarot. It is simply the moon and Venus and cooperation. I work at a co-op. Why is it important to us? Your phosphorus, Horus of Egypt, is the morning star. It is in your urine. And notice 177737. Woo! And it means to bear children. Okay, morning star, phosphorus. Your Lucifer is Satan, Saturn, and Diana. Morning star like Christ in the Bible, your urine, Venus, and to bear children. Who is Diana in your urine? Diana simply means the Italian goddess of the moon. You are all Venus. Why she's responding to me, because I respond to her. You have a lunate, right? Moon, slip it down, J, bone in your hand. You understand me? In your hand, people. You're all awesome but confused. Here is your goddess Venus, a female, right? And it's known for fields and gardens and people. Zeus, we know this. Zeus is who? Pertains to Taurus, I'm a Taurus. Jupiter and Mars, right? Is your number 5, 185, JHE, and Pythagoras. 14, you have a head, 2 arms, and 2 legs, and it means freedom. Are you free from generic truth? Come on now. My birth chart, I was born May 14. Gosh darn it. I have Venus, who rules Taurus, in my house of Taurus. Jupiter as the number 4 in my house of Taurus. And I have Mars and the number 5, Saturn, in my house of Cancer. Wow, what is the answer? Saturn. Who is Jove? No one goes to etymology. They're afraid. Jove is who in etymology? It's simply Zeus and Jupiter. Hi. But it means to be jovial. Funny. Gosh darn it, you have a funny bone or Facebook in your ulnar nerve in your arm. Ulnar is luna, mirror word for the moon in Latin. You live in a sagittal plane. Your solar plexus. And they're making a cross body here. Okay. Your Jupiter, Zeus, rules Sagittarius. Hi. Pretty cool stuff. Now, sagittal is who? Your sagittal means an arrow, like your cursor is Sagittarius, right? Okay, cool. And it pertains to what? Arrows. Well, your balls, men, and your scrotum is a purse, gender battles how, and it means a leather quiver for arrows. Wow. Now, blow your damn mind. Look at your highways. All of your highways have arrows, people. Hi. Devil tail. Amazon has the arrow tail. What's going on? Direction. Now on Instagram, also Chaldean appears for famous people. I was born to slay them. They're using things to confuse you why I'm here and why I'm receiving signs. Very simple. Your Madonna, pardon me, your Madonna, how many followers she has, Madonna? 1.55 million followers. That's my name in Chaldean. But she's called Madam X, and she covers one eye symbol, Illuminati. X. You all must go and see Taurus fields. It's very important. Yeah, what are they? Taurus field, rainbow, red and blue. Now, here is your Taurus field. At my job, I show my customers this. It makes an X, people, or a cross if you flip it. And it makes the diamond of Freemasonry. That is your red and blue blood and Democrat, Republican, and Crip and blood. Now, here is your Freemasonic symbol. They have the compass and square. It's the rainbow. And it's the eye of the Illuminati. Is a pyramid. Well, gosh darn it. You have medullary pyramids in your brain. Woo! I'm not done. This is insane. That we don't know this stuff. Keep going, Jay. Never stop showing the truth and magic. Right, let it load. I'm not in a rush. Now, more evidence of supernatural activity here. Now, when I upload my videos about numerology, notice the numbers 158 appear right here, and that was yesterday or today, 158. And my recent video about numerology, notice the numbers 351 right there. Are you kidding me? Now, 666 also appears in front of me at my store. 3 sevens, 3 sixes. You have 6 protons, electrons, and neutrons, carbon 12. In your DNA is your blood is your 6. Now you know why your dumbass celebrities do what? Put a 6 on the I. Hi, Drake. Nice try. That would be your who, though. That is your Lacerta, the tail of a 6. Hi. Constellation of the month. It's a lizard. Woo! Stars. So they know your stuff. You have reptilian brain, people. Now, Freemasons. Okay. You're Adam Weishaupt, Freemason. Founded the Illuminati and was trained by Jesuits. Okay. Now, your Pope Francis is a Jesuit Pope. Notice the letters JHE and SHE there. Jesuit Oath of Induction. The Jesuit Oath. Right here. You see it? Wake up. It says, I will subscribe my name written in my own blood. And if you fast forward, it says, may my brethren and fellow soldiers of the militia of the who, Pope Francis, cut off my hands and my feet and my throat from ear to ear, weird, my belly opened and sulfur, phosphorus, burned therein with all the punishment that can be inflicted, throw it down, Jay, upon me on earth, and my soul be tortured, this is weird shit, people, by demons, Damon Mailer email, in an eternal hell forever. What the hell is this? Because you also got Prince Hall Freemasons that look like Adam Weishaupt. Hi, black people, Freemasons. Notice the year. Now, remember that that number I showed you, 1735 is so-called Prince Hall? That's your High Priestess number 2. What are the odds, people? In your damn face. Right there. I was born to slay you. Black people can get it to you sellouts. The boule, right? Black Freemasons. The boule, or the bullshit, is the black version of Skull and Bones, Brotherhood of Death at Yale University. Do you know that? Your Barack Obama your Barack Obama was what? A fraternity member of the boule. The bullshit. Right there. Hi. So what does that mean? Now, Obama dropped the most drones, right? Now, I'm not blaming him only. All your presidents did it. But how many drones? That's a lot of drones, people, to kill Syria and Iraq and innocent lives. Bombing Obama. Drone strikes. And you want him back instead of Trump or whoever? And Joe Biden is not worthy of being a president. Your Donald Trump also is a Jesuit-educated person at Fordham University. Woo! Gosh darn it. You have a problem. You have Jesuit schools. Look, right? Remember when I showed you the oath? All over the earth. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, 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 Hare Hare. Shiva, Boom, Om, JHE, Om, Ram, Reem, Ram, Saha, Suya, Yanamaha, Om, Chandra, Yanama. So stop playing games and watching CNN and Fox. And there's your 3 sevens again right there while I talk. 3 sevens, remember? The car, your phosphorus. And we are the problem, people, not your Illuminati. If we don't support unique truthers like my channel, when I show magic, notice the cross there again and the X. People, these videos always get low views, which is why we are the problem. Your Illuminati know your truth, and they're kicking our ass. Look at your world. Fear, right? You watch TV, you go out, and you act on the TV. And if you protest based on the TV, then you're a problem. Because nature has been suffering, and animals have been killed for what? Your protein, and it's someone's child. If your child was killed and chopped up and put in a bag and someone ate it, you would call the damn FBI, CIA, and the police. Hare Krishna, Shiva, Boom, Om, JHE. And share this, it was fire. Incredible work, Jay. The human race is in dire need of a new empire, meaning knowledge of yourself. Wow, Jay, incredible work.